know the difference between baking powder and baking soda? I know you have many doubts in your mind. So the difference between a baking powder and baking soda is here. Baking soda is a basic element which is sodium bicarbonate. So when it comes in the contact with water or with any acidic element, it reacts and releases CO2. So sodium bicarbonate, baking soda releases CO2, and as soon as it comes in the contact with water or with the acidic element. Whereas a baking powder consists of two ingredients, one is baking soda and another is an acidic component. So your baking powder acts twice, one when it comes in the contact with water or in the contact with some acidic ingredient, two in the baking when we put some product in the baking and we have added baking powder in that recipe. So it already worked out of the oven while mixing your product when it came in the contact with the water, and second time when we put that product in the oven, that acid activates and it again reacts with baking soda, left of the baking soda, and releases CO2. So baking powder works twice, one outside the oven, another inside the oven. Baking soda works at once outside the oven while mixing your product. So that's it. Thank you very much.